I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Gallardo983 here. So first of all, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified on my new videos. So recently I made a video on my chat room, and I've been continuing my day trade, swing trade, and my long-term investment calls on there. So if you haven't joined on that one, go ahead and click the video and the link right below over here, and that's the link right there. It'll take you over to the Discord app, and this is the chat room right here. I have my swing trading, day trading, long-term investing alerts, and this is the chat right here. You can post chats, charts, talk to other people in there, and we don't have that many people in there right now, but slowly growing, getting people to join. So let's get this chat room growing, and let's share your trades, share your thoughts on different stocks. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to go over to Thinkorswim and show you how this week has been doing. So this week it's been up and down. If you look at the markets, S&P 500, if you zoom in over here, it's been up and down. There was a huge spike here in the market, and I was expecting a pullback, and I've been calling it out, and I made my video earlier in the week about how markets are going to fall and how I'm going to play it out. So the high was about 286.98, about 287 right there, and just fell down to 281. And I believe this pullback today, it did try to go back up to highs. It went up to 283 and just fell again. Seems like a lot of earnings were coming out this week, and I did win on all three of them that I took. The first one was on Tuesday. That was AMD. I saw that it was way oversold over here. It almost reached $10, and it started going back up. I didn't get in over there. I didn't play this out since last earnings, because I made a ton of money in last earnings, and that was in like July. So, and actually the reason was after that, and I did play this one, but it was only a small size. I didn't go in with that much, and I played it for the quick scalp. So I got in around 13. I saw it break that 50 EMA line, and then I sold at around 1360, 1370. So that was a win on there. I did hold through the earnings. The next one was DHI. I've been trading this up and down from 50 to 53 range, and then it just went down before earnings, and I stayed in. So it did go up after earnings to 51.20. I got out at 51. It didn't look that strong, and it's just the housing market. It grew really fast, really strong. So I did expect a pullback to come, but this is a great investment for long term if you are getting in. I would look for a little more pullback, but I would take a starting position over here. So that was a good trade. I got in around 50, and I got out around 51. The last one, it's the best one, Apple right here. I saw this on the aftermarket today. It dropped at first, and I thought it was due to the iPhone X sales, but it looks like they beat earnings, and they showed that no matter how the market's going up or down, it's definitely going to be strong. There's always people buying Apple products, and it's a big market mover, so the market should be going back up tomorrow due to Apple, and also Amazon that went up too. The earnings were that really good on that. So this one, Apple, I got in early on this one. I got around 172. So after hours, it went up to 174. Tomorrow, I'm looking for that 175 push, and maybe we can get 180 next week. But I'm definitely going to hold a little bit and take profits on that, and then move that over to maybe SVXY or another ETF. Visa earnings came out today, so I am looking to get into that. And also, I do like the QLD. I got a buy alert right there at 85 range. Yep, just went across about 85, that 50 EMA line. So I'm looking at the MACD on that. It's right about to cross over, and the RSI is also getting close to oversold region. So looking at the yearly, it's got really good growth, so it's coming back down. It might have a little drop, but looking at the 180 days, it's definitely getting to that oversold region. So I might move my money from Apple into that one. So I had 3 out of 3 earnings wins. It's not always like this. Earnings is a hit or miss. Either you get it or it goes up or it goes down. But with something like this, I've been watching AMD and Apple for a long time now, like over a year. So I know how the earnings come out, how it goes up. I played it before, like last year, and it did go up. So this time I was pretty confident about it. And AMD too. It's really low. It's a very good long term. I thought it would go up a lot more to about 14, 15. I saw this price adjusting because last earnings the price went up way too much before the earnings came out, so that's why it dropped. And this time it did go up slowly, so that's good. So I'm going to be looking at AMD for long position. I expect it to be about 25 or something by end of this year. It's a really good stock and it's a good investment. So those are the earnings play for this week. That's all I'm playing for the earnings. Next I'm going to be looking at my swing trades and long-term investing. I'm going to be moving my money into that because I'm looking at the markets and I'm expecting a big pullback, another one coming back. There was a pullback here, but there's going to be a correction coming up in the market, definitely around by June. So I'm calling out all my trades on here. There's a lot more trades that are on here than I make videos on, where I call out my couple stocks to look for, or looking at the pullback I call out. But those are the very solid ones. But these ones are good too, and so far they've all been winners. And even SPXY, even after falling, it's going back up. So looking at the swing trades and long term, it's really good. I haven't been doing any day trading right now. I'm mainly focusing on swing trading, and once the markets start going back up, I'll get into investing. So join my chat room. The link will be in the description, and if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and click subscribe and the bell button next to it to stay notified on all my new videos. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and I'll see you later this week.